What's up, everybody? This is Austin with Gamblin Motors. Today we have ourselves a brand new 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This one in particular is the LT Trail Boss crew cab standard bed. It is in sterling gray metallic, has jet black leather interior. It has a nice active exhaust system. Once I circle back around, I'll show you what that does. You got the nice high gloss black wheels. It's got the 6.2 liter V8 in it. Red recovery tow hooks, part of the Trail Boss package, Z71 package. Come over here. You have your BOSE sound system, four-wheel drive, heated steering wheel, collision alert. It's only got 29 miles on it. You have front heated seats, trailer brake, wireless charger. Can't forget the sunroof. But here you go, here's that active exhaust for you. Wait for that semi to pass. So you just go to the drive modes, you switch it over to normal, and you hear it get substantially quieter. And you go ahead and you switch it back over to sport, and then you can hear it open back up. You have the Z71 floor liners. All around a super nice truck. MSRP is like $70,665. Another thing that you have is power up and down tailgate. Makes it nice and easy to lift that. You also have the outlet in the bed. But yeah, all around super clean truck, brand new. If you buy a brand new truck from us, you do get oil changes for life as well as car washes for life. If this is something that you'd be interested in, feel free to give us a call at 360-825-3567. Once again, that is 360-825-3567. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.